All right, what's up, YouTube? This is Hassan with the Struggling Day Trader channel, and I am back at it again. We are live. It's Monday morning, April 8th, Eclipse Day, and the market is looking good. SPY's trending up. Everything on my watch list is trending up. Um, I'm excited. Had a really good end to the week on Friday. No rule breaks. I'm here to trade the system. I'm here to trade the rules. That's it. That's it. Game plan for today. Taking 2R off the table. No, I'm not worried about the home runs right now. Right now I'm trying to get some momentum, build up the capital in my account. So I'm not tripping on the home runs. I just want to get my win rate up and start putting some money in the account. So 2R targets, which means my risk right now is $25, so I'm risking 25 to make 50. My entries have to be able to put my stop loss below VWAP. No entries below VWAP. No entries above VWAP, right? Meaning extended. Like sometimes it's pulling back, but it hasn't quite made it to VWAP, and it's starting to show signs of reversing, but I have to wait for it to come down to VWAP. No entries below yesterday's close. No entries below the opening range. And as far as patterns, I'm not taking any tweezers, and definitely staying away from the inside hammer bars. I just want clean dips to VWAP that lines up with either a previous high or another strong support like HVS. Just the clean setups. What's up, Ben? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. It's looking like another good day, hopefully. Well, a good day is just a day that I trade the rules. That's it, man. That's what a good day is. A good day is no rule breaks. There are no acceptable rule breaks. Right? So, get my 10-minute timer ready over here. And what you looking at this morning, Ben? So the small cap market moving as good as the large cap market? AUD, whoa. I set a sound to play at the market open on my platform, but it didn't play. What's up with that? What's up with that? Yeah, man. I heard somebody say the small caps are back. That's a pretty nice move in pre-market there. LGVN. Huge gap up. And UCAR. All right, looks like some action. Okay, let's check this screen out over here. To the two. selling off hard. Oops. Let's go. Look at coin go. Okay. My back burners are now which honestly looks pretty decent already. Back burners are now in MSTR. Wow, it looks great. Oops. And Tesla. Which all three are looking good. I'm about to swap out Meta and MU for sure. Now, and what was the other one? MSTR. Yeah. NVDA's falling too. Wow, Google looks really good. I forgot to start my timer. I had to edit that thing to 5:30. There we go. The market is still inside of that first candle's range, but things are definitely dipping. Man, everything's dipping actually. Up $3.05. What? You stepping up the risk today, man? Are you just holding it longer? That's what I'm talking about, Ben. All right then. I had to bring Tesla back on. All right, Ben. Like to hear that, man. it's a lot of volume on Tesla right now. Looking like it's ready to come on down to VWAP. Come on down. That was a nice pullback on Google right there. That was a real nice setup. Very nice indeed. Yeah, that was perfect on Google. Would have had to take that one. No, market might be actually taking a fall. That trade up just a fake out. It's looking like something on coin there, but yeah, it's looking like it's about to get bad. Hey, what's going on, man? Just being patient at the moment, waiting for something to set up. It's looking kind of sketchy at the moment. All right, trade timer is off, and now we're just waiting, man. Waiting for something clean. But the market is definitely falling. I'm going to just say the last name, Patience. Good to see you in here, Patience. For sure. I don't know what this market is getting ready to do. Okay. Here you been. Well, see if we can find something worth taking. Yeah, coin is blasting off. always a little bit better than that. Hmm. 170.47. We over that. That's not a bad mover for a $50 stock. Just sitting on hands right now. The market traded down, but it's kind of showing some signs of reversal at yesterday's close. Not really knowing what to make of the market just yet. Tesla looked like it's going to actually do something. It looks primed to go. It's just not throwing any entry opportunities for me that fit my setup. Just need a nice little narrow range bounce to VWAP for me. We can make some moves. Tesla testing high of day over here. What about over 1 minute opening range? Like on this, I'm assuming you can custom that, but like this is a trading terminal, and they have a 5, 15, and 30 minute opening range breakout scanner. I wonder if you can set one up for the 1 minute. I mean, the 5 minute is basically, it's doing the same thing. It's just over a longer range. Tesla 193. Ooh. It did not make it to the high. Short 3 cents of previous high. Google testing the previous high. 54.46. We're at 44. Yeah, if it could just tap through 50 and then come back down for me, we could definitely make some moves. Gold actually looks like it might do something today. Gold is still working on blue skies. Pre-market high is 217. Yeah, coin is stair stepping up. without me. Huh, okay. Tesla new high day, 172.32. And I think Google made a new high of day also. Yeah, broke through 50. Now just come on down. Come on down to VWAP. Nah, that's a lower low right there. Yeah, I like them. Just waiting on a pullback, but I mean, that's my rule. But that coin definitely looks like it's gonna keep rolling. I just can't take it right there. I was hoping coin was gonna try and make its way back down, but yeah, that's a pretty good setup there. I don't know. It's like the third inch up. I like MSTR, but this lower high I'm not feeling, but this higher low is really nice. And then we got this large topping tail and that large topping tail. Yeah, that's a clear sign to stay away, I would say, for now anyway. Let me change this to the 2 minute. What's happening here? Okay, SE is coming back down kind of aggressively though. Not on any volume though. This might be a cool little setup right here. Nice narrow range. Need to throw a narrow range candle though. I like what it's got going on the one. Yeah, I'm not trading on the one though. So it's got to look good on the 2. Huh. Let me check out that coin. Yeah, I really don't like coin being in the midst of all this trading action. It's really like in the thick of it over here on the daily. It's a lot of buyers and sellers floating around at different price levels in here. I like that it broke over this red candle here, but yeah, it might be a tough grind on the way up. But hey, man, if it shows me a nice little pattern at VWAP, though, I'll take it. See, this thing was looking tempting on the 1 minute right here. That would have been stop sauce. That's why we trade on the 2 minute. Into the thick of it. It's not a bad setup, but I needed a bottom and tail here or something. Narrow range something. Man, I'm seeing so many trades that I would have taken before. Like, I would have wanted to take that, although it didn't trigger me in, but I was getting kind of excited about it. But clearly that's not the one. Now here, though. Market look like it's trying to bounce. This has very little volume. $56.05 is VWAP. Nope. SMCI ended up doing. Trading down. Come on, Google. It's time to come on back. It's time to come on home, Google. Tesla, Google, coin. What's Meta looking like? Forgot about Meta. Nothing. This is looking a little interesting now, actually. Look at that 5 minute. Ew. All right, Tesla look like it's coming home. coin maybe as well. Coming on home to VWAP. What is this pre-market high right here? We could call a level. And something like that. I guess actually 170, 179 is technically pre-market high. All right, I think Google's ready to come down now. Man, Ben, I think something clicked last week, bro. Can you see how the hands are being sat upon? No reckless trades. 30 minutes into the day, haven't taken anything. Haven't taken anything. Man, these dudes are not coming down. SPY is trading above VWAP. Kind of like RSI, right? Moves up so far, it becomes overbought. And it starts having a higher and higher probability of turning around. Is that what you mean? Ooh, here comes coin. Here comes coin. Man, this actually looks like a good spot to take right here, though. Got some resemblance of support, but nah, I gotta pull back a little more than that, buddy. 257.67. Man, my nose has been stuffy for a while. Alright, MSTR is selling off hard. SPY is back under VWAP. Google is just okay, here we go on coin. Wow, MSTR is getting thrashed. Yeah, coin is selling off a little too hard though. A little too hard. It's not what I wanted to see there. Meanwhile, Tesla looks ultra bullish. does coin? Coin is looking kind of nice. Huh. Yeah, it seems to be a lot of that going around. Right. You're right. 93. All right, just jumped into coin. $256.74. Uh-oh. It's looking ultra sketchy already. Let's see here. 25 divided by 15, $1.66. 41. I got down to 41. So I share sized appropriately. But it's looking sketch. Yeah, I like the low volume pullback. Oh man, what am I doing on this 1 minute? Oh man, bro, I didn't even realize I was on the 1 minute chart. There's no way I should have been in this trade. That sucks. Yeah, that's my bad. Yeah, there's no way I would have taken that on the 1 minute. Oof. Yeah, I wouldn't have triggered in on the 2. My mistake. Mm-mm-mm. Gotta be careful when I switch to the 1 to draw these levels, and gotta switch back, man. Gotta switch back. Yep, that was an epic fail. No, this big red bar right before I entered wasn't great, but I was just looking at the 1. If I was looking at the 2, there's no way I would have entered because it wouldn't have triggered me in. That's just a operator error right there. am going to try TSM here over this candle. We're going to go 50 shares though. Gonna go 50 shares on that. Tesla finally made it back down to VWAP. Alright, I am in TSM. I wonder why the thing's not playing my I changed up the audios on this thing. We're supposed to play some sounds for me. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. All right, TSM, what we got today? What kind of range can we do? 146.75 was the last high. 146.70. 146.50 actually might not be a bad target for the day, but we're going to hold for our 2R. That's a nice entry move up right there. Little excessive on the pullback though. Which stock you talking about, Ben? You still talking about coin? You went long? All right, Ben. That thing needs to close up above VWAP for me to like that. So basically over 171. It's got 30 seconds to do so. The spread on coin is always gigantic, bro. Always. I think I'm gonna try Tesla right here. All right, in Tesla. 170, 56. Stop. Sell. And we want 172.06. Still lower low. It depends on your perspective. I guess if we're looking here, but I'm thinking as far as this first tap to VWAP, if this is the end of that pullback, like if we're looking at this 5, you know what I mean? Oh wow, look at TSM. TSM got real close there. What's your stop on coin? What is that? High is 145.35, 145.34. And I need 48. That might be a little excessive considering that this is high of day. If you break 254.68. Oh, did you go short? No, you said you long. You mean 252? Oh, huh? Oh, okay, 254.11. I got you. I'm definitely feeling like chase your stop up and run this up to 146. Nah, but we're gonna take our 2R and be happy. No worries. Be happy. $252.11. I got you. It's looking sketchy there, Ben. It's looking sketchy on TSM too. No, that's not bad. That's not terrible. If we can hold this price level, should be okay. Tesla's looking decent. Another high. It's a very modest profit target right there. Yeah, Google just has zero interest in coming back to Earth. Tesla's being super extra. It's looking a little addable. Oh. Dang, what is this? All the way back down? 34. Yeah, that was reckless because the high day was 35. It went up to 34 and turned around. I should have had my target within that. But we'll see. Might have a little energy left. We'll see. I don't know. Tesla's looking quite sketch as well. Kind of want to add to Tesla. Ah, man. Come on, Tesla. 205 calls. Okay, this might be the ad right here, but I'm not going to have any room to move my stop up. Like 10 cents. Low is 67. Yeah, add like 15 shares or something. Yeah, ain't nowhere to add right there. Oh, man. Yeah. I thought, for me, this coin is definitely way below where I could take it. I don't do longs below VWAP. So I was hoping for the best for you, though. All right, added a quarter more. Man, that's a great. Tesla looks really good, but just gave me nowhere to add. Lower high, yeah. Yeah, coin was definitely a violation of the uptrend rules, my friend. Let's go, Tesla. It feels reckless to get out this early. Taking 2R is hard, man. But I must do it. I must do it. Man, it would have been sweet to add right there. I should have just called it another trade, man, and just added right there. Because that thing was beautiful. I just think if TSM breaks over 50, it's going to 46. That's how I feel about it, Ben. I sure am disappointed in this trade because there's no way I should have triggered into that. Eyeballing the 1 minute instead of the 2. It happens. Come on, TSM. Got work to do. Wow, SPY is moving up. Look at that right there. Yeah, bro, I'm about to cancel these take profits, yo. Sell half or something. SPY moving like that. We about to go somewhere. Huh. I don't know. Probably means it's a bunch of bag holders still holding some shares. Bunch of bag holders that ain't sold yet. Let me start breaking rules. All right, TSM, looking strong. Man, look. Tesla look like it want me to add again. Now I add right here. Don't even play. TSM over 50 going to 75. It just got a break. Come on, TSM. There you go. There you go. Alright, I ain't gonna watch that. I gotta see what's up on Tesla over here. $25 over 58. Whoa, that was a little faster than I was expecting. Long coin 251. Come on, baby. Let's go, TSM. Don't play with me. Don't play with me like that. Come on now. Yes! Yo! Let's go. Let's go. Alright. 144.93. Alright, we letting that ride. Ooh, that ad is looking very scary now. That ad is looking very scary. 171.30. 33 cents. Oh man. Dang. That turned bad quickly. What's happening? Come on, Tesla, the SPY is running up. What's the problem? Bruh. Tesla got me panicking over here, man. Yeah, come on, Tesla. You gotta be doing all that. Oh, wow, you're long 251? I say 255. VWAP's 255.65. Yeah, 255 would be a good spot. Man, let's go, Tesla. Let's go, Tesla. Come on, baby. Come on, we almost there. Don't even. Come on now. Where'd it go to 44? I'm at 47. Stop playing. Trash. Man. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. 47. We got 30s. 36. 39. 40. Yes! What'd I just do? Yo. Ben. And I'm still holding 25. I ain't got much room for the stop, but we gonna see what happens. Big money. Hey, count that up, man. We rolling today. Just one stupid trade on coin, man. Because I was on the 1 minute chart, not paying attention. But that's cool. We getting it back. Now, if we can just survive Tesla. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Tesla look like it needs to pull back. And I'm not risking any of my profits. What's this low? 82. Okay. Absolute profit for Tesla would be another $2. So I would say 173.80. Same for TSM. I would say 146.93 day sell. Okay. Both of these stops are break even, so either we make more or we don't, but we're not losing anything. I'm hoping TSM holds high of day, or at least holds 145, and we might have some good times for the rest of the day. SE's looking interesting over here. Okay. Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I don't even feel the need to jump into anything else. Nice. 254.90. Yeah, man. That's how you do it. You made back your $2? What you sitting at now, Ben? Hey, what's up, Ken? Short NVDA pre-market. Well, that worked out. Where was you short at, Ken? Man, that thing got hammered at the open, too. Straight hammered. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if TSM is going to survive. I'm not moving my stop, though. Tesla still making moves, though. Yes, sir. High of day on Tesla is 173.16. Look like we're about to test that expeditiously. Man, that's looking good. Hey, Ben. That's what I'm talking about, Ben. That's looking good, man. Like to see that. Caught that dip on coin. Got some revenge for me. All right, TSM. This is the moment of truth right here. We going back up or nah? We going back up or nah? It's looking sketchy. That's for sure. All right, we are out of TSM for a little over 2R. Happy with that for sure. Great trade on TSM. Great trade, great ad. Great take profit. It's probably about to turn around right here, though. Okay. That ain't bad, Ken. $8.88. Ah, bruh. Bought the top or sold the top. You take out. You get out yet? Man, TSM gonna stop me out by 2 pennies. That's how we doing it. It's all good. I could have risked that little $10 from and risked it down to 2R, but it's all good. Kind of want to raise my stop up to here. 172.30. Gotta give it a chance, man. Gotta give it a chance. 101.88. $8.72, man. Nice trade, man. Nice trade. Yeah, that's where I had a little support line right here too. Man, I still like TSM if it throws something at VWAP, man. I don't like this big bar right here though. At all. Definitely a good day, man. I appreciate it, Ken. Yes, it's man, my only mistake was coin, and that's because I didn't realize I had the 1 minute chart up and not the 2. I absolutely don't take any trades on the 1, but I got triggered in. I put an order over this candle and it triggered me in. But as you can see on the 2, I would have never triggered in because this candle is not an entry candle, and it never would have. This candle didn't break over the top of that, so I would have never gotten triggered in on that one. So yeah, just a mistake. But other than that, yeah, man, I was sitting on hands all morning waiting for the perfect opportunities to come, and when they came, I took them without hesitation. And now I got a small position left on Tesla, just trying to see if it's either going to stop me out or make another move up. And that'll probably be it for the day. I don't think I want to trade anything else. I do feel like TSM has some more moves left in it, but it would have had to throw me like a picture perfect entry for me to mess with it. I'm not taking that. But yeah, Tesla look like, I don't know. Is it gonna hold 172 or nah? I don't know. Got some orders coming in. Kind of ticking downwards though. Yep, you right, Ben. That's exactly what time I'm on, man. Honestly, SE looks pretty good. SE's saying all the right things right here. Super narrow range bar right here. Very tight risk to reward. Not much volume though. I don't think I want to sit into a trade like that. I don't. I do not. Come on, Tesla. Make another run for your boy. Make another run for your boy. Nah, it's dipping. It's dipping. Is trading the same way too? Just repeat, rinse and repeat. There you go, Tesla. Come on up. Close over 172. There you go. Come on, the SPY's looking up. SPY's looking up. We can go up too. Okay, back over 172. Can we get back to 173? Nah, I'm about to stop. All right. Well, no, I'm feeling a little tempted over here at TSM. Oh, really? That's funny. Man, I was in Lucid. I was in a swing trade on Lucid, and they had a typo on their earnings, and I sold right before that typo was released, and it shot up like $10. I was a little sad about that. All right, I do kind of want to take this TSM trade. Nah, it's not perfect. Man, I'm gonna be Tesla. Tesla about to gonna stop me out by a couple pennies and then go. I don't even care, man. Yeah, this TSM trade is looking quite tempting. What's that on the 5? Nah, it's consolidating. Consolidating. 10 minutes left on my trade timer before I gotta shut it down. I don't see anything worth my while. Scroll through the old basket. See if there's anything. Netflix, NVDA's back over VWAP. Oh no, that's MU. I'm tripping. MU. It's not gonna have time to set up for me though. Meta below yesterday's close. Yeah, man, I think that's gonna be a wrap. This TSM joint though is kind of calling me. I gotta try it. I got a little cushion. It's a quick 2-hour scalp. Quick 2-hour scalp. Nothing too heavy. Quick 2-hour. See what we got here on TSM. Yeah, Tesla just needed a little more room, it looked like. Just needed a little more room. I wish this ad could have been a little lower, man. If this ad could have just been a little lower. If we didn't have this topping tail right here. It's all good, though. It's all good. Yep, Tesla just needed a little more room. Look at Tesla now, man. Stop me out at 82. It only dropped down to 78. 4 penny stop out. Now that thing running, man. Why it be like that, man? Why it be like that? 144.55. Yeah, well, I got my stop at 144.49. So I don't want it there either, my man. Dang, man. Look at that, bro. That's my target. It just hit my target. Yeah, I had a $2 target at 173.82. And there it goes. TSM looking sketch too. You keep acting like you want to go. Here we go. We can get TSM back over 145. I'll be feeling very comfortable. That's good to hear, my friend. It's not looking bad on the old candlestick either. I just want to see it back over 45. Hey, what's up, Jimmy? You having a green day as well? We all green in here. Ben green, Ken's green, Jimmy's green. It's a good day. Boy, TSM has really got a lot of sellers up here. Putting up quite a fight at 145. We did get to 145.06. Come on. There we go, back over 145. Man, I just need 20 more pennies for real. I just need 26. $10 more pennies, 6 more pennies. Come on, man, just a little bit higher. A little bit higher. A little bit higher, come on. Boy, TSM is playing with my emotions, man. Playing with my emotions. Okay. Yeah, it definitely sold off at 20. That was the last high on that candle. that's my trade timer, so I will not be entering any more positions today. Just managing out this guy. Matter of fact, I'm taking off my risk as well. So no risk on the table anymore with TSM. We either stopping out even or coming home with another 50, another 2R. I say it's looking pretty good for the home team. Yeah, that 45.20 was a level. I started to bring my stop up under this candle, but I wanted to give it at least to my break even. So I'm definitely glad I raised my stop up. All right, my bad, y'all. I had to take a phone call, but yeah, I think that was a good swing. It just didn't play out, and I wasn't trying to risk any more capital once it traded up past 2R. I mean, it was 6 pennies away from my target. 6 pennies, man. Ugh. But that's cool though. Not a bad trade, you know. Make me feel like I had the sight. It just didn't work out. It just didn't work out. Kind of a clear level right here. But yeah, still had room to get to my profit. But that was a good manage. I think that was well managed. Anyway, yo, how did I lose? I lost a couple bucks on that stop out. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Yep, I lost 4 cents. A slippage on that stop, which took me underneath $100. What? Oh well. Still a great day. Aside from this coin mistake right here, it just shouldn't have happened. So I just gotta be more aware of what's going on. But as far as my intentional trades, very good day for sure. Over 2R on both of my trades. Makes up for my mistake on coin. And that's a wrap. I'm done. My timer went off. I'm not trading past 11 o'clock. It was a good day, man. I appreciate everybody who stopped by. Please hit the like button on the stream for me. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you. I stream every morning. The market's open. Start streaming around 9:20. And yeah, man, it's just real deal trading, man. Just managing my rules and my emotions and trying to get it right, man. Working through the struggle. I haven't checked. Since I started this time, like since I opened this account that I've been streaming on. I haven't checked. Let's check. I'll check real quick though. Let's see. I don't think it's good. Let's see here. When did I start? Was that February? Dang, how did I do down this low? Yeah, I'm down, bruh. I am digging out of the hole. I don't know, something looks wrong though. So we'll go January 25th is when I made my deposit. Yeah, I'm down. I'm down like a good amount. I'm not gonna get margin calls just yet, but over the past 2 years, oh man, yeah, I don't have. I've been in different accounts, so I started out with trading on Webull, which I don't. It's kind of weird as far as day trading because Webull, I definitely didn't have 25K, so I was on a cash account and I would trade half my account on one day, and then while it was settling the next day, I would trade the other half of the account, and I didn't know what I was doing. Um, then I ended up going to an offshore broker, CMEG, and I traded with them for probably like a year. And yeah, I traded with them for like a year, and then I was getting killed on commissions, man. That was a tough broker to learn on, because if you had a bad day and you took a lot of trades, like your commissions could be worse than your actual P&L. Um, like I have like a $100 red day and then another $80 in commissions. Like that was tough. So yeah, all I did was lose money on CMEG, man. I just constantly getting emails. I'm gonna make a video one day of all the emails I got saying I need to top up my account if I want to keep trading. Um, but yeah, I'm definitely red since I've started this account also. But a problem I was having was I'm using Street Trader. Um, I forget where they're out of. I can't remember where they're out of, but it's called Street Trader, and I got the hookup too. So if you trying to put like 5 G's into an account, I can definitely set you up. Just send me an email. But the broker fees are way cheaper here. Like I'm paying like 25 cent total in and out, and that's including not only broker fees, but the ECN route fees and all of that stuff. So it's super minimal. So I'm able to trade without really worrying about broker fees. Also, because I don't trade with a lot of shares, I trade big caps, and I think it's a great strategy for me because if I trade the small caps, I'll be trading 1,000 shares, and 1,000 shares gets expensive when you get over 1,000 shares. But trading 50 or 100 is really cheap. Um, yeah, but yeah, I'm definitely I'm digging myself out of the hole. It's been it's just been a struggle with the rules, man. But at first I was gunslinging. Like I would go way past my max loss. I was having $300 red days because that's just the limit that my broker had, where they would I'm guessing it's a percentage that they set automatically where they kick you out. So they would kick me out at around $300, And but then I called them and it was like, hey man, we need to drop that down to 100. And so then my red days were 100, 125, and that's been helpful. But I still had like a lot of those in the last couple weeks. But today is my second green day in a row. Last week was not bad at all. Last week was my red days were small, and I had a couple of small green days too. But then Friday I had $100 day, $148 I think, and then today almost $100 day. So I don't want to get too excited and say that I've something's happened, like something's clicked, but I do feel like that. I feel like I finally believe in my rules now. Like I believe in them. I believe in them enough, and I realize that stepping outside of them is what's ruining me. So I'm willing to just stick to the setups that fit my rules and let them help me stay out of trades, because my rules keep me out of the bad trades. But you see something, it's like, oh yeah, that looks bullish, and then you just want to take it. It's like, let me try it, but that's not business. Like, this is a business, and you have to abide by your business guidelines if you want to be successful. And it's like day after day of saying, why do you keep going long under VWAP? Like, that was my big thing. I was going long under VWAP and getting destroyed. And then I finally I promised myself that I wouldn't do it anymore, and I got rid of that habit. And then I had other habits, entering before it pulled back to VWAP, and I would buy it, and then it would pull back to VWAP and stop me out, like over and over again. And then the candle that it stopped me out on was the candle I should have been waiting for it to go long. But then I would be negative and my mindset would be off, and I'd be too hesitant to go long when the setup is perfect now, but I've already lost 2 trades, So it was just a lot of just fumbling over my own self because I wouldn't trade my system. But these last 2 days, I haven't had any rule breaks. This issue here on coin was I was on the 1 minute chart, and I didn't realize I was on the 1 minute chart. And I got triggered in right here, which what I do is when I see a candle I want to take, I'll place a buy order over the top of that candle. So if it breaks over that, then it triggers me in. So this candle ticked over that candle just enough to trigger me in and then trade it down. But if you look on the 2 minute, there's no candle that would have triggered me in. So my rules would have kept me out of this. I was just on the 1 minute chart, probably drawing a level, this level here. So, it happens. But it wasn't an intentional rule break, so I feel good about that. My rules, yeah, man. Let's see. I got a little sheet that I made up here. Let's see. This is pretty much my thing right here. So I'm exclusively a long trader. I don't take any shorts at all. I'm only long trader. So my watch list criteria, I have 6 charts that I watch over here on my watch list screen, on my watch screen or whatever. And I want to see it gapping up in the morning, so trading over yesterday's close. I like 1 million plus volume, but there's a lot of days where there's not six tickers trading over 1 million volume. So I'll let some of them on. That's if they're gapping up and they're trending up on the daily and hourly, I'll let them slide if they have less than 1 million volume. But I mean, at least 100,000, 500,000, something, something where it shows that it has the attention of traders and hopefully institutions. But yeah, so, and this actually, I'm Change to 40. So I don't take any trades in the first 10 minutes. Yeah, that's the thing. Like trying to look long and short, it's like it's too much, man. I try to keep it super simple. I was actually watching this other YouTuber over the weekend, and he's new, but he would go long, and if he got stopped out, he would immediately take a short position. Like without stepping back to look and see, he went long because he was long biased, but he would automatically flip into a short position if he got stopped out. And usually he would get stopped out again because he was already long biased. The stock already looked like it was trending up. You know what I mean? It was just a lot of back and forth. So I definitely think it's a lot simpler to just have one mindset, looking for one type of setup, maybe two setups, but one direction. But anyway, that's how I trade. My rules are I don't trade the first 10 minutes. So I set a 10-minute timer at market open, and I put it over here over my level 2. And I don't take any entries until that timer is up. I don't take any trades under VWAP. So like a lot of times things will dip low, like coin down here. I'll see something down here like this would be something I probably would have taken in the past, a break over this candle, or maybe even this down here as a double bottom. But a lot of times once it's trading below VWAP, that's a sign that it's lost its bullishness, it's lost its strength. And a lot of times it just comes up here and tests VWAP and then continues the downtrend. So I want confirmation, I want it to be holding above VWAP. Yeah, if it's extended from VWAP, I won't take it. I don't take it. Like this Tesla is a good example. So even this right here, it looks like it's the pullback is narrow range, the volume's decreasing. I could definitely find a support level right here for it that a lot of touched a lot of candles. Like right here, you got a touch here, it held right there, touch there. So I could say this is a support and it's pulling back to support. And, you could look at this and say this is a good entry. And it can be. And it was right here. But so many times I'll try to buy right here. Like say if I wanted to buy right here. Like, okay, look at this nice bottoming tail. It's holding this level, this previous high. But I'll buy and then it'll pull back to VWAP. You know what I mean? So I was watching it right here, but I'm waiting for it to come back to VWAP. And so that's my rule. Even if it's holding support above VWAP, I won't take it. For me, I need it to come back to VWAP, and then I have this support line down here. So I like two levels of support. So, one of my blue lines and VWAP or previous day close or pre-market high and VWAP. That's my play. That's what I'm looking for. So I gotta wait. That was another rule that I was breaking all the time. I'll be waiting for it to come to VWAP, but then it would start showing signs of reversing, and I would take it, and then it would continue down to VWAP. VWAP's like a magnet. It's always either pulling things to it and then repelling things away from it. So you just got to be patient. And if it doesn't come back down to VWAP, that's cool. That stock wasn't for me. You know what I mean? I got to be okay with not being able to take everything. I'm only looking for things that fit my setup. So I'm going to miss some things that go up. Like Google today, man. I really wanted to trade Google. But it never came back down to VWAP. It just never did. I mean, this came back down, but this long wide range red bar, that's a cancel for me. I won't enter after a wide range bar like that. I was looking at it right here though, because this is a nice inside bar. I've seen these work out a lot of times but I'm trying to be very picky. I was just over trading, you know. So, yeah, I'm just trying to be very picky. I'm okay with missing some things, but yeah, I'm basically a VWAP sniper. You know, I'm just waiting for things to come to VWAP, and then I hit it, put my stop below the trigger candle, which has to be below VWAP, because a lot of times things will come back and test VWAP before it makes its move up. And right now I'm taking profit at 2R. I did kind of fudge that today because sometimes you get a feeling that it's going to go further, you know. And especially when it comes up and trades really close to my target and then pulls back, I feel like the likelihood of it trading higher after the pullback is very good. So I actually added after this pullback and traded it all the way up to there. I wish I took it all out right there, but I was thinking that it was gonna trade over this pre-market high and keep rolling, and I wanted to be in the mood for that. But I stopped out at break even right there, so it worked out. But yeah, man, it's just real simple. I'm looking for higher high, higher low at VWAP. I want a narrow range entry candle, and stop under the low, target at 2R, man. Very simple. Very simple. But yeah, man, that's it. But I'll definitely do a review video. I try to do a review video every day after my trades to just kind of I take notes, you know, like basically a journal entry, which is something we all as traders need to be doing, and that's one of the biggest benefits for me in doing this channel, because I've committed to doing a review video every day and forces me to journal my entries, and it's helped me tremendously. You know, it will feel like sometimes when you have bad days, you feel like, oh man, the market, you know, it's the market. The SPY was pulling back, and you know, everything was downtrending, and you know, it's the market. But then, you know, you go in and you journal and you realize that nah, you just kept breaking your rules, right? Your rules keep you out of trades when the market is when the market is turning bearish and things start trading below VWAP. All those signs that it's not a good time to go long. That's, you know, if your rules are solid, they include those things. And I realized day after day of journaling that I'm just breaking the same rules every day. And, you know, so I realized the problem was me. And so that's what I've been working on, you know, just committing to my rules and just believing and realizing that my only way to success is if I stop breaking these rules, stop taking these let me see what happens trades, you know, let me see if this works trades. Like, those be the ones that kill me. And not only that, but the loss, when you break your rule and lose, the mindset that you fall into, it makes it so much harder to take the good setups when they come, because now your confidence is messed up. You know, you don't want to take another loss because you already read. It just messes up everything. One rule break messes up everything. So, yeah, man, it's in the beginning, man, you just keep it simple. You know, I've been back testing these rules for 2 years, so they work. When I follow them, they work very well. And you know, they don't work for everything, but I can get 2 or 3 trades, sometimes on a great day, 4 or 5 trades in my little window of time, which is from 9:40 to 11 market time, and I'm done after that. Like, after 11 o'clock, the VWAP bounce isn't as strong. You know, I've noticed that over a long period of time, that taking those bounces after 11, they're not as high probability as they are before then. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it though, bro. That's all. I'm just I'm struggling through my own self, you know, my own mindset, and I feel like this is my second green day in a row, my second day not breaking any rules, and I'm excited. I'm getting excited. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting excited. This might be it. If I can go the whole month of April without breaking my rules, then I'm gonna up my risk for May for sure. I don't know. Who knows? I definitely imagine that I will evolve as a trader and start taking more setups, other than this VWAP. There's a lot of other setups. You got ABCD patterns, you got 5-minute opening range breakouts that I've, kind of have an interest in, double bottom reversals. There's lots of different patterns that, you can add to your playbook. But for now, I just want to find something that I can do consistently. And I know that I can do this consistently if I can be consistent as far as my rules. Like, I can pull 2R plus on these trades. And if I can do that consistently and build up my account, there's almost not necessarily a reason to branch out too far, because like these two trades, I risked 25 on all these trades. Coin, I caught some slippage on coin and ended up a little more than 25. But in general, my average loss is $25 and my average win is like 67. So I risked 25 to make 50 or more. And that's cool. If my batting average is high, like if I can keep it high, 70, 80%, I have no problem. Just, you can, like I said, if I go all of April, like implementing my rules without breaking my rules and, consistent green days, and I put some nice cushion in my account, I'm going to up my risk from 25 to 50. So I'll be risking 50 for 100 plus. And, if I have another month successful on that, then I can go up and risk 100 for 200. And, you can just keep scaling up and you can branch out if you want to, but if it's not broken, why fix it? Yeah, so this is the beginning. This is the beginning. It's just, I had somebody comment on one of my, I make shorts of my winning trades and post them on TikTok and YouTube shorts. And somebody commented, with a laughing face, $50. Like, bro, you don't even know. Like, I'm so happy about that $50. Like, that might be funny to you, but risking 25 to make 50 as a beginner, as someone trying to find consistency, hey, man, that's a wonderful thing. And I feel like whoever that wasn't a real trader, because I think a real trader who's actually been through the struggle would understand, like, hey, man, good job. Like, that's good. You risk 25 to make 50. Great job, man. So, yeah, but appreciate the questions, man. Appreciate you giving me some room to expound and think a little deeper about what I'm doing. Yeah, man, just keep it simple, man. It's not that complicated. I don't trade with a bunch of indicators on my chart. All I trade was VWAP, volume, and then I draw support and resistance. Hey, I appreciate you, K1 Daily. Appreciate you, man. I'm feeling good, man. Second green day in a row. Second day on point with my rules. Yeah, I'm gonna post a review video though and talk a little bit about my entries and exits on these. And man, if you guys could hit the like button on the stream, I'd super appreciate that. I'm trying to grow the channel. Bruh, that would be crazy. 50 to 25K. Just, bro, $1,000 days. Like, you know how life-changing that would be? $1,000 days consistently? Like, what? That would be crazy, man. But that's the goal for sure. For sure, man. But I'm trying to take baby steps, I don't want to blow up any more accounts. Just going to take baby steps and just slowly edge up my risk. Because, man, every time I've jumped my risk up from 25 to 50, I've always have a red day, man. Every time, but I've never been as locked into my rules as I have been these last couple of days. So hopefully it'll be different. I'm definitely gonna give myself the month of April though to prove to myself whether or not I can up my risk. But yeah, bro, that'd be life changing, man, life changing. But that's the whole allure of this trading game, man. It's like you can write your own check. You know, once you figure it out, once you find consistency, and your risk management is on point, you know, you can literally write your own check. So that's the goal, man. And I'm putting it all out there so you guys can hopefully, you know, learn too and learn from all my mistakes and maybe skip over some of them or whatever. And I've actually a lot of guys have come in and left some great advice for me too. You know, it's been a really cool experience. Trying to get up to 50 subs. I'm really stoked on how fast I've gotten up to that. But yeah, if you guys can hit the like button and subscribe. I post a review video every day after my trades, and I'm here every morning the market's open. So come hang out with me, man. But I'm gonna get out of here. Appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm super happy with another green day. And look out for that review video. Peace.